Put a soap in hot water. It's better than anything else. For today's tip, we will need a soap bar. And we're going to slice into several pre-dates. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Little Jig from Uganda. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now let's insert 200 milliliters of water into a pot. The soap is the main item for this tip. After the water is bubbling, we will transfer the soap to the pan. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home. And comment if you know any tips, so I can do and teach others. After the consistency is like this, we will transfer the mixture to a blender. Now we add 2 tablespoons of soap powder. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. Then we will add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This tip will help a lot in your day-to-day. After that, we will cover the blender to mix the ingredients. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. And we'll separate for later. Now we'll need a container to store the mixture in. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. Then we will transfer the mixture to the container. After I started doing this, I confess that I was surprised. Your pots will be very pleased to have made this tip. I use this tip whenever I see my pots getting dirtier. After that, we will cover the container and let it rest for 3 hours. After this time, the tip is already ready for use. This tip can be used to remove burns and fats that get stuck in the pan after frying. Do not forget to use a little water for the mixture to work as well as possible. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.